Let's start to look at the derivatives of functions other than polynomials. Let's look at trig functions. There are 6 trig functions total, but first we need to talk about 2 specific limits. And that is the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine of theta over theta. And this is really important because these limits that we're talking about are going to show up in all the other trig functions. So the limit as theta approaches 0 of sine of theta over theta will always be equal to 1. And then we have another very common limit that's going to show up in others. The cosine of theta minus 1 over theta is equal to 0. I also want to take a moment and point out that we are using radians in calculus. You will not use degrees. If it were in degrees, then that first limit would not be equal to 1, and that would change the other 4 limits as well for the trig functions. So I hope this helps, and be sure to check back later for more.